go, darling. Come on then. Where's my hat? I want a hat. Here we go. Oh, that won't fit me at all. It's tiny. I'll wear this hat, please. Hello everyone, it's Vlogmas! Okay, so I haven't made a video all year, but I couldn't miss Vlogmas, and it's like my favourite time of year is Christmas, and Vlogmas is tied into that now like an unbreakable thread, and there's no way that I'm backing out. But bear with me, things are going to be different. I'm already starting this a lot quieter than I usually do because this is Bee's nap time, and this is going to be pretty much the only time I'll get to have you to myself. So yeah, I'm going to keep it brief because I really don't want her to wake up, and she is having short naps at the moment, so please. Things are very different. Obviously the world is very different at the moment, and we're all a big part of that, and so yeah, I think you will understand that a lot of this will be at home, but it is going to be crafty, it's going to be creative. We're going to try and do a Christmas craft every day, me and Bee and Stephen if he's here. You're going to get lots of trips to the playground, and we also have like a trip to the zoo planned, so there's stuff happening. It just might not be quite as full-on interesting, jam-packed as normal. It's going to be quite different, and yeah, probably a lot of me talking in hushed tones about Bee being asleep. Also, another big thing, Hobbs isn't with us at the moment. He's at my parents', which you all know is a lovely place for him to be. He's very happy with Tigger and my mum and dad. Lockdown got quite hard for him, and just being with Bee at her young age, where she's suddenly interested in pulling his tail and walking around for the first time, was really just freaking him out. And he is an old dog, and bless him, he just wasn't getting out enough as well, because when it's me by myself and Stephen's at work, it's really hard to get a toddler and a dog out in a socially distanced world where you're trying to avoid people. So my lovely mum and dad are looking after him, and we're going to hopefully do some videos with them as well, and they're going to show us what he's up to, and hopefully an advent calendar, but they all sold out this year. Oh, anyway, so that's my little kind of like explaining how Vlogmas is going to go, but there's loads of footage that I started filming before, because this tree has already been up a week. It's the 1st of December right now, but I'm going to show you footage of the first episode from a while ago and bits from today. It's going to get confusing. I'm definitely going to get confused. I'll probably say the wrong date loads, and you'll probably wonder, why is she in different clothes and looking completely different? And it is because it's filmed at a different time, and I don't even know how to describe it, but basically it's easier for me to have footage to start editing before Vlogmas starts, and that's what I'm doing this year. So I started editing yesterday, which was the 30th of November, and this is going to go out today. Yeah, I told you it's confusing. But I've had such lovely messages from you to inspire me to do this year, and I'm really thankful for that, and I love you so much. I've missed everyone in my audience and my YouTube family. I've really, really missed you, so I'm happy to have this opportunity to give back to you and say happy Vlogmas, and come join us for the ride, and we hope you'll have fun with us as well. So yeah, without further ado, I will show you the decorating of the tree.
Are you going hi?
Yeah.
Where's his toes, Bee? We're making some wrapping paper. I think we're going to add some green trees soon, aren't we, Mummy?
I'm nearly there. Okay.
You okay?
Oh, more tickle attack.
You okay? Am I a monkey? You saying Daddy's a monkey? Are you calling me a monkey? Monkey. Lights. Come on then. Where are they? Which way, Bee?
This.
They're up there, okay.
This is Christmas
Go on then. Let's go and have a look.
I'm doing a Christmas song that doesn't exist. It's Christmas house, a Christmas house, a diddly doo doo doo.
Ooh, wow.
So this year, Christmas House is raising money for charity, which is so lovely. And as far as I'm aware, they haven't done this before, so this is a new thing. And everyone's really excited about Christmas House this year. I think it's going to really brighten lots of spirits and make people very happy. Oh, look at it. Oh, they've really gone to town this year. What do you think, my darling? What do you think of Christmas House? Yes, darling. Do you like Christmas House? Yeah, good nod. Yeah, there is, dear.
Dear, you see Santa?
Oh, wow.
Dear. What else can I see? Wow. There's Santa in the sleigh. And then look, there's Santa going down the chimney. Can you see his legs?
Are you saying hello to everyone? Gotta love Darth Vader. The most Christmassy of all.
Beatrix, do you want to have a look at this with Daddy? What's this? Ooh. So, because it's Christmas time, see the Christmas tree, we have an advent calendar and we have one door for each day, okay? And behind the doors is a little riddle. So can you find door number 1? Where's number 1? There's number 1. Do you want to open it? What's in there? Is there a little message? Ooh, should we read it together? I think this is a little clue for a present. Let's have a look, shall we? What does it say? Oh, I think it's a little riddle. The countdown to Christmas has begun. So this clue is behind day number 1. Very good. So have a think what you'd like most and send it to Santa in the post. Where's your post box? Should we have a look where your post box is, darling? So where do you send letters to Nonny and Buppa and Dad?
Daddy.
Yeah, where would you send a letter? Where's your post box? Is it in the hall? Come on then, let's go and have a look at your post box. Post box, yes, come with Daddy. Come on. You alright? Where's your post box? Can you show me? Post box? Oh, is this your post box? B,
She's worse than me at this.
where's your post box? What's this?
Oh.
Post. What's behind your post box?
Come on, let her move it.
What is that? What's behind it? Oh, there's chalk. What's this?
Oh!
Oh! What's
that?
A reindeer.
Yeah! Happy day number 1, my darling. Let's see. Will you show us your reindeer?
Show Mummy.
Are you giving it a hug? Oh my darling.
Badger.
Are you introducing it to Badger? B, let's see your reindeer, darling.
Oh, hello, B. What's that you've got there?
Deer.
A deer, a reindeer, is it? Oh, very nice. When did you get that? Is that on your advent calendar? Very nice.
Man.
Ooh.
Man.
Man.
Oh.
That's a little man. What colour's this man? It's blue. Blue man, yes.
How lovely is your reindeer, B?
Well, I think that was a pretty successful day number 1 for the advent calendar.
Man.
Clap, clap, clap.
Well done,
Clap, clap, clap for the
darling.
reindeer. Clap, clap, clap. Yay!
Oh, that's brilliant.
Do you like your deer, darling?
So we've got a moonbow. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it'll come through. Oh, it's looking pretty good on here, actually. Good old moonbow. It's no longer a moonbow, though, is it? It's very quick.
Underneath.
Red.
Red and
And we're singing the rainbow song
big
and doing opposites, which she loves to do.
and I can see ya, see ya, see ya. Another mama, a red. Oh, choo.
Moon.
Moon, good night.
Night, night, moon.